Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix VAN84 error in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu and search for Services. In the Services window, scroll down to find VGC. Double-click it, set the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply and OK. Double-click again and press Start if it is not already running. Next, search for MAMD in the Start menu, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. WinSock reset. ipconfig/flush DNS. Once done, close the command prompt. Now go to Settings, then Windows Update, and check for updates. Install any pending updates. After that, go to Network and Internet, open Advanced Network Settings, then click Network Reset and hit Reset Now. Restart your PC when prompted. Next, adjust Valorant's compatibility settings. Right-click the Valorant shortcut and select Properties. In the Compatibility tab, check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Finally, try launching Valorant again. So that's basically how you can fix VAN84 error in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.